Well, this is the last area that we think the wallabies are getting through, the last line of defence. So what we're doing is we're building the soil up either side of the bottom part of the wire. The wire is, they don't try to jump above about a metre, but they will try and push underneath, so any sort of weak areas down low. So what we're doing is we're pinning the wire down and then we're filling soil either side of it, sandy soil, which will pack down, and hopefully that will keep them out. And we can plant along here. Eventually this will be, it's only a temporary fence, it'll be replaced in a couple of years with a decent large perimeter fence, but for the time being this will allow us to grow our plants inside here. Keep going.
Well, I'm just going to go and dig out these 2 knife grasses down here, which should be fairly difficult, but I'll manage. And it'll clear the area then for some nice soil. Right. So this is the pond, which is actually quite low at the moment. We do have, it sort of would normally come up to the bank once the rainy weather is here. So at the moment it's quite dry.